What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. As you can hear in the background, Big Boy and Captain are out. They're making their New Year's appearance. So, hey, we starting off the year right. Today, we're going to go ahead and do up some Boudin stuffed Cornish hens using Saints and Sinners Bayou Boogie. It's their Cajun spice. It's got paprika, cayenne pepper, some thyme in there, salt, pepper, garlic, the works. It tastes oh so good. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Ingredients: 2 rock Cornish game hens, Saints and Sinners Bayou Boogie rub, some Boudin, and some canola oil spray can. Your next step, get you some Boudin. Go ahead and peel that skin off. Get that rice dressing out. And pour it into a bowl. Once it's into a bowl like here, go ahead and mash it on up. And add you some of that seasoning from Saints and Sinners. That Bayou Boogie, it's got a lot of cayenne pepper in there, some paprika, thyme, there we go. Birds have been in the fridge for the last 2 hours. Skin is nice and dry now. We're going to go ahead and now start stuffing the birds before we start putting the seasoning on the outside of the birds. Go ahead and just pack it on in there. There we go. Now they're plump and happy. And we're going to take some of that canola oil, spray down the birds. We're going to hit it up with that Saints and Sinners Bayou Boogie. They're going to taste nice and happy, fat and sassy. There we go. They're going to go on the smoker now, 350 degrees. We're going to check them at 30 minutes, see the temp, and let's rock and roll. Today, we're using the Pit Boss Classic. We're going to open up that lid, turn it on, turn it to smoke. We're using the regular hardwood blend. Goes great with any chicken, beef, pork, just any old variety. We're turning it to smoke now. You want that initial white smoke to just leave. You don't want that in your food. It makes it taste nasty. You just don't want that. After that, we're going to crank it up to 350 degrees. White smoke is finished. I'm going to shut the lid down and crank it up to 350 degrees. Be back once it hits temp. We're going to go ahead and throw them on the smoker now. Going to check on them in 30 minutes. We're 30 minutes in. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. They're looking good. I did temp them off camera real quick, and they are not done yet, so I'm going to give them another 15 minutes. They're done now. We're going to go ahead and pull them off. Let them rest before we cut into them. And here we have them. Our Boudin stuffed Cornish hens with our Saints and Sinners Bayou Boogie Cajun rub on them. They smell awesome. Let's go ahead and cut them up and see how they taste. Cut through like butter. Just like that. Look at that center. Nice Boudin filling. You can give one half to one person, one half to the other person. Let's go ahead, pull that out for the taste test. Go ahead, that chicken first. Nice and moist. That skin is super crispy, so we like that. Definitely taste that paprika and the cayenne. Nice pop of flavor. Let's go with some of that Boudin now. Nice burst of flavor there. Putting that extra rub in there really sealed the deal. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.